Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're taking a look at a few articles. Altcoins rise while Bitcoin price holds steady. Yes, we've been seeing the dominance drop off on Bitcoin, and that is leaving the effect of the altcoins literally just exploding out of nowhere, and so we're definitely going to be looking at what they're talking about in this article here, maybe some different charts that they may be looking at too as well. And then we got another article here to look over as well, why some cryptocurrencies are worth 40,000 and some others are worth 40 cents. That just goes hand in hand with liquidity, and then obviously if there's a limited supply, and there's a few other things that also go into this stuff too as well, early adoption and Bitcoin being the first first cryptocurrency, but then also you have the second and third gen cryptocurrencies as well too, and those could take a little bit longer to take off than Bitcoin has too as well. So let's jump on into it, get started. We'll take a look at the charts afterwards, and here we go. All right, we'll stay on this article first. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through the 2021 bull run. All right, so while cryptocurrencies are worth 40,000, while some are worth 40 cents, market capitalization is asset supply factor into price. But could any token be worth $1 million one day? Okay, interesting. At the time of publication, one Bitcoin values 47,247, and Bitcoin sitting right about at 47,000. Yeah. While one Doge is worth around 6 cents. If you are new to crypto markets, you may initially think, hey, Doge is cheaper than Bitcoin, and if it picks up enough steam, maybe I could catch up on BTC to rise over 20,000 too. This way of thinking, however, is illogical. Why? Market capitalization and asset supply. Yeah, there we go. Yep, exactly what we're talking about. So market capitalization, obviously that has to do with like liquidity factors and stuff too as well, and then asset supply, how much of a supply there is there a cap on the supply or not? Market cap is combined dollar value and asset circulating supply. It changes as the value of a given asset rises and falls. Cryptometric websites such as CoinMarketCap rank each cryptocurrency in order of market cap. Bitcoin is the long-standing frontrunner of this category, holding a market cap at about $879 billion at the time of publication. Market cap takes each asset circulating supply into account. Circulating supply is a count of any given asset freely moving around the market. Multiply the circulating supply by the asset price and you get its market cap. Assets with more circulating supply often trade at cheaper prices in terms of dollar value per coin or token. BTC currently holds the comparatively low circulating supply of about 18.6 million, and that's because we still haven't mined everything else, right? And even though the number increases slowly by mining, its maximum supply is still relatively small at 21 million coins. Meanwhile, Doge has a circulating supply of 128.3 billion based on market cap numbers. Given Doge circulating supply, its market cap would approximately 800 billion in each coin were priced at roughly $6.23. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is worth more than 40,000 per coin, near that same market cap due to circulating supply. Yeah, so they're saying that it could hit $6. I don't know about that Doge hitting $6. It reaching a price of even 1,500 per Doge would require an asset to have a market cap of roughly 129 trillion dollars. Yeah, that's a huge market cap value. At the time of publication, the entire crypto market cap has about 1.46 trillion. Yeah, and so Doge is nowhere near that market cap value. Generally, assets with low circulating supply can rise higher in price per coin than assets with large supply counts. Yearn Finance, for example, holds a very small circulating supply of just about 36,600. Wi-Fi went from approximately 900 in July 2020 to 40,000 in September 2020. A multitude of other components factor into price rises, but typically, if an asset has a comparatively large circulating supply, its price per coin cannot be directly compared to the price per coin with smaller supply. Crypto assets often hold a maximum supply programmed into their code. Each asset's available supply grows continuously through various forms of blockchain network validation, mining, or staking until it reaches the maximum supply. Prices can dilute as coins or tokens flow into their related circulating supply, as validators tend to sell their rewards for supporting the network to pay off their cost of doing so. What is the difference between total supply and maximum supply? Total supply refers to the number of coins or tokens that currently exist and are either in circulation or locked down somehow. Some coins, yeah. So basically, your maximum supply and total supply is just based on the mining, if there is mining or if there's minting. Meanwhile, the maximum supply is an asset entire all-time supply, or more specifically, the amount of coins or tokens that have and can be created. This means that once the maximum supply is reached, there will be no way to produce any more of the coins. Understanding the concept of market cap as it relates to any given asset price can be important, allowing you to assess the crypto space more realistically. You may look at the price of a single Bitcoin and view it's too expensive, immediately shifting your focus towards something cheaper. The plethora of information goes into crypto investing. Assets vary in use cases, adoption, profit potential, and associated risk, among other factors. Viewing each asset in light in a particular market cap, price, and supply, however, can help in evaluating the market. Yeah, so you definitely want to do your research when it comes to a lot of this stuff. And obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. None of the stuff that I say here on YouTube means anything. It's just for entertainment and information purposes only. But you also need to make sure that you do your own due diligence when researching this market as well too. So let's jump over into our next article, folks. And we have altcoins rise while Bitcoin price holds steadily. Yeah, and we've been seeing a drastic move with our altcoins. I mean, just exploding, skyrocketing. Everything on altcoin side is mooning. Bitcoin just kind of trending sideways for the most part. After a week of all-time high, Bitcoin's momentum has tapered off at around 47,000. Meanwhile, altcoins continue to rise. Bitcoin's price today hit 47,000, down 0.41% on yesterday's 47,200 and up 18% from last week's 38,300. Its price has jumped early this week in an all-time high of 48,000 after Tesla announced 1.5 billion investments in Bitcoin, followed by a series of confidence-boosting developments, most notably America's oldest bank, BNY Mellon, announced that it will support Bitcoin. Altcoins on the rise. The price of Ethereum, the largest alternative crypto to Bitcoin, today hits 1,800, a jump of 2.9% from yesterday's 1,700. Ethereum's weekly price change is an increase in 6.5%. In 24 hours, Cardano fell 2.1% to 9 cents. XRP fell 6.64% to 58 cents. Polkadot increased 12.18% to $28, but these daily performances do not reflect the overall weekly performance of altcoin market. All top altcoins jumped considerably over the past week. ADA by 63%, XRP by 34%, and DOT by 39%. Others in the top 10 also performed swingingly. Binance Coin increased 6.6% in the past 24 hours, but 70% in the past week, $127 making its week best performance by percentage. Stellar increased 14.21% in the past 24 hours and 54.7% in the past week. Its current price is 52 cents. And you have the Stellar chart here. Meanwhile, Litecoin increased 5.2% in the past week and 22.7% in the past week of $195, while Chainlink surged 6.37%. And basically everything is freaking mooning right now, folks. I mean, that's just, lo and behold, that's what they're going over here. Dogecoin grows slowly. The 12th largest cryptocurrency and market cap at 8.8 billion dropped 4% or 0.4% in the past 24 hours and jumped 40% in the past week, and its current price at about 6 cents. Doge surge after conceptual efforts from investors pumped the price. Celebrity interests helped spread the word, and notably one-time Doge CEO recently, Bitcoin bull Elon Musk. Chinese New Year, a 16-day holiday period, and started yesterday. It normally a time when cryptocurrency market experienced price drops as Chinese investors dumped their coins. However, an analyst told Decrypt last week that hasn't happened this year. Western institutional investors now dominate the cryptocurrency market, they explained. Usually we would definitely see a sell-off the past 2 or 3 years that I've been in the market. We've always seen a sell-off during the Chinese New Year's, but now they're saying that because the institutional investors of the U.S. have continuously been pumping the bags in the cryptocurrency market, that we're not seeing that same sell-off. So folks, without further ado, let's jump on over into the charts and get started over there. All right, folks, so taking a look at the charts as of right now, Bitcoin still in a consolidation phase as of right now. We can take our logarithmic move here too as well. We can kind of see that we're in a steadily of an uptrend here. This is our linear regression, linear regression chart here. We're in a little bit of an uptrend. I did have some trend lines drawn out for us earlier, but we definitely probably want to be picking up some coins here. Definitely looks like we're putting in some type of an ascending triangle as of right now. We had the ascending triangle drawn out as of yesterday, but now we're starting to see where this is actually going to come to possibly definitely a tipping point here in the near term future, and we definitely want to see some price movement from here, possibly back to the upside here. So our price target would be right at around $52,000 or so if we are to break this to the upside, but we'll have to keep a close eye on it and just see what's going to happen. This is our 2-hour chart, folks. Bitcoin sitting right now at about $47,000, anticipating maybe a move here in the near term future. We'll have to see how this wants to play out. As you can see, resistance is sitting right at about $48,000 or so. We want to clearly break above this $48,000 and make our way up to that 50K area here in the near term future. So we'll have to wait and see. 2-hour chart on market Cipher B, starting to see a little bit of a sell-off here. I'd be a little concerned, but I'd want to see that some of our higher time frames are still holding a nice green money flow, and that would definitely pick us up here on these lower time frames too as well. So folks, if y'all are interested, this indicator is the market Cipher indicator by CryptoFace. If y'all are interested in picking up the market Cipher indicator package by CryptoFace, there's links in the description box below that helps support the channel. If not, you can always support the channel freely by leaving a thumbs up or commenting down below, and I highly appreciate that too as well. So let's take a look at some of our higher time frames, see if we're still looking pretty good here. Taking a look at the 4-hour here, we are starting to see a little bit of a trailing off motion here, stair-stepping pattern that's also signaling us a little bit further down here on market Cipher B. We could see a nice green dot here. We definitely just want to make sure that we get this nice little curvature back to the upside, finding possibly breaking through this resistance level at our previous high of this momentum wave here too as well. And if we are to do that, then we could definitely see a nice little rally for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at these higher time frames, see what's going on. 6-hour still in a little bit of a stair-stepping down pattern. Let's take a look at the 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame, money flow still looks pretty good here, but we definitely want to start to see a better recovery here. Taking a look at the daily chart, if we are to break down on this ascending triangle here, we need to be prepared for a move possibly, or a fake out, a bear trap to the downside, and then maybe a pump back to the upside. We did kind of see that as of yesterday, somewhat of a little bit of a bear trap with our lines that we had drawn out the other day. And so if that's going to happen, we'll have to see how we're going to play this. So I definitely would keep a closer eye on some of these smaller time frames here on the Bitcoin chart if you are trading this. As of right now, we're not too interested in this. I'm looking more at the altcoins for right now. And folks, if y'all want to join us over in our private trading group page, we talk about all the altcoins that we're trading in, and there's about 20 to 25 different altcoins that we're in dollar cost averaging in every single week, but also that we're trading on the side, and we're giving setups for each one of these altcoins as well too, alongside with keeping up with Bitcoin as well. So taking a look at the dominance chart, folks, the dominance chart has not been looking good at all, and this is why I'm just not interested in Bitcoin as of right now. We're definitely still seeing a waterfall sell-off here with our dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance is still moving to the downside, even here on the daily chart, starting to clip down into that reddish money flow as of right now on market Cipher B. And we've actually broken below our fib retracement levels too, so we're gonna have to get rid of our fib retracements here, and now we're just seeing this trend line still hold us down to the bottom side. So we could be seeing some lower dominance for Bitcoin here in the near term future. Let's take a look at our 2-day chart, see what's happening over here on the 2-day chart too as well. It looks like we got another red dot that hasn't confirmed quite just yet, but if this red dot does confirm, then we could be looking to put in a big green dot down here on market Cipher B on our 2-day chart. So let's give this a couple of days, an extended bearish count here on the TI sequential. So we also use the TI sequential by Tone Vase, and y'all can check out the links in the description box below if you want to pick that up. But an extended bear count here doesn't look too pretty for Bitcoin dominance. But that's why we're looking at some of these altcoins right now, folks. So let's take a look at ETH and see what's going on with ETH, and we'll take a look at I don't know. We'll take a look at XRP, I guess, after this. XRP and DOT, maybe. I think those were our few of the coins that were mentioned earlier. XLM was also mentioned too as well. So yeah, taking a look at ETH here, man. ETH still looks relatively good. It does look like we are starting to clip down a little bit on our mid time frame, such as the 12-hour. Let's zoom on in just a little bit more here, see what's kind of going on. Money flow still looks pretty steadily here for ETH. We're definitely probably seeing people pump the ETH bags because of Bitcoin maybe being too high out of their price range, making our stepping up our way into our next fib extension level. We're still looking for $2,000 ETH probably here in the near term future. It does look like we are holding support on our on our 21 EMA here. So our mid time frames are still finding support on the 21 EMA. This is definitely going to probably continue to stair step up to a stair stepping pattern for us here for the near term future. ETH just doesn't look like it wants to settle for anything less than underneath $2,000. So I'm looking for ETH to definitely make its way back up or would make its way up to $2,000 here in the near term future. Taking a look at the daily and the 2-day, our daily still kind of riding this wave out to the side. Starting to see these Christmas tree patterns perform for us here. We just want to see a green dot here on the daily and possibly another keep pushing a little bit higher here on the 2-day chart too as well. Money flow is just outstanding here on ETH though, folks. This money flow is thick and heavy, and yeah, we're definitely still looking for $2,000 ETH probably by Monday. I think in yesterday's video or was Friday or Thursday's video, I said it doesn't look like the charts are going to be doing anything crazy this weekend, at least not with our two big coins such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. But we're definitely looking for Monday to roll around and possibly see, you know, maybe ETH get above that $2,000 mark too as well. So let's take a look at XLM. I'm just kind of curious. I was looking at the charts the other day. XLM is currently breaking above its previous high as of right now. We had some price targets set for XLM, so here's a freebie for all of y'all. If you want to get these trade setups each and every single day on our private categories on our Discord server, join us through Patreon and make sure you give me your Discord username so that way I can add you to the private categories on Discord. Or if you want to pay with crypto, message me on Discord and I'll get you all set up there. But you can see here that XLM is currently about to break its all-time high, and we're looking for $1 XLM possibly here in the near-term future. That's definitely in the works for us, but we'll have to wait and see exactly if we're going to continue to pump here for the most part. But yeah, it definitely, XLM is still looking relatively bullish. Our daily is about to close above our all-time high on XLM, so get ready, folks. This is going to be one for the making, and then we're looking for our fib extensions up to that 8 cents or possibly $1 here in the near-term future for XLM. So yeah, folks, there's a freebie for y'all, and we took a look at ETH already, altcoins. Yeah, things are looking up right now, that's for sure, especially if you're in the right altcoins too as well. So our alt bags have just been outperforming everything, anything compared to Bitcoin or the US dollar, you know. So I've been watching a bunch of videos on how the hyperinflation is ready to occur, folks. The hyperinflation is here in 2021. If you're not in these markets, you need to start hedging yourself. So it's not too late, but also, you know, if you have the right alts to pick out, like we do on our Discord server, on our private trading group page, then I think you'll be okay. So if you want to come over there and join us, folks, I'd highly appreciate it, and we'll get you all set up either through Patreon, or if you want to pay with crypto, you can message me on Discord and I'll get you all set up. So with that being said, folks, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through the 2021 bull run. It's exciting to be here, folks, and I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.